Today, I worked on a vehicle where the customer complained about the check engine light being on. The first thing I did was connect a scan tool to check for fault codes. The scan tool revealed two codes, P0057, which stands for HO2S Heater Control Circuit Low, Bank 2 Sensor 2, and P0161, which indicates an O2 Sensor Heater Circuit Malfunction, Bank 2 Sensor 2. Both codes pointed to a problem with the oxygen sensor heater circuit on Bank 2, Sensor 2. To dig deeper, I performed a road test while monitoring the live data from the scan tool. Normally, the oxygen sensor parameter should fluctuate as the engine adjusts the air-fuel mixture, but in this case, the sensor's reading was stuck and not changing at all. To verify the issue further, I induced propane into the air intake system while the engine was idling and monitored the sensor data again. Even with the additional fuel, the sensor's parameter remained fixed, confirming it wasn't functioning properly. Next, I inspected the wiring harness and connector for the oxygen sensor B02S2. A damaged wire or loose connection could cause similar issues, but everything looked fine. With the ignition on and the engine off, I used a multimeter to check for voltage and ground at the oxygen sensor connector. Both were present, which ruled out wiring or connector problems. Finally, I tested the oxygen sensor heater circuit by measuring its resistance with a multimeter. The resistance value wasn't within the manufacturer's specified range, which confirmed that the sensor's heater circuit was faulty. The fix was straightforward. I replaced the oxygen sensor, B02S2, with a new one, cleared the fault codes, and performed another road test. The vehicle operated perfectly, the check engine lights stayed off, and no new fault codes appeared. This process shows how important it is to methodically diagnose a problem rather than just replacing parts at random. By testing the sensor, wiring, and heater circuit, I was able to pinpoint the exact issue and make the proper repair. If you're dealing with similar codes, make sure to follow a thorough diagnostic process to save time and money.